pseudocode is the flowchart, which many of you will have seen maybe from school or college. And this is a diagrammatic representation of the structure of an algorithm using blocks and connections to denote the different logical operations and algorithm flow. So you can use whichever you prefer, but I'll personally stick to pseudocode. So here are the different types of block that we can use in a flowchart. We've got initialization or termination, which is used to set everything up and to shut everything down. A process is a self-contained chunk of logic, generally one well-defined task. A decision is an if-else branching structure, which we've already seen. Input-output is used to either get or print the contents of variables, and connectors are just used to join branches of logic together. So here's our pseudocode with the equivalent flowchart. So we get the input, make a decision based on the value of hours, and then take one of two possible branches depending on the result of that question. Each branch does a different calculation, and we can see that we only need to print pay once, because we can definitely say that it will have been calculated at some point by one of the branches, regardless of the number of hours. Now, you may have been tempted to print out the pay here and print out the pay here, but that would be inefficient, and I hope you can see why. And also, if you didn't like that and then made a change to how you print out the pay in one branch but not the other, if you forgot, for example, then there'd be an inconsistency. So you should always strive for an algorithm that removes such redundancy and is the most streamlined, whilst at the same time making sure that it's still understandable.